Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send a web receipt on Cash App. To get started, open your Cash App and navigate to the Activity tab. You can find the activity icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your transaction history. On the Activity page, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. To send a web receipt, select a specific transaction from the list. Once you've selected the transaction, a detailed view of it will open. Here, look for the web receipt option. It might appear at the bottom of the screen or under the menu accessible by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. Select the web receipt option. When you do this, the receipt will open in your browser. From here, you can choose to share the link to the web receipt directly or download it to your device. This makes it easy to send the receipt to someone or keep a copy for your records. That's it. That's how you can solve how to send a web receipt on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.